Hi guys! So we're going to be doing something a little different today. So my sister, she has graduated college and she's living in Atlanta. So this is her room and we are going to be stealing it because this is what I've been using for my hair tutorials. So we are going to be decorating it, and she already has some shelves that she left up from a long time ago, so we're going to be using those. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see a lot more of my content. So the other day we went to the Dollar Tree actually, and we went to just go see what decorations they have, and we've seen these dice kind of things, and I really like them because one just says like stay focused, coffee break, lunchtime, and one says other stuff like be brave, be fierce, stay bold. And one also has like places like Rome, New York, and LA, Sydney. And then we also got these, 3 of them also. And they say, this one says brave. And then this one says boss. And this one says strong. Okay. And I really love them because, you know, the words that are definitely very empowering, I guess you could say. We also got these books, or notebooks from the Dollar Tree, because, you know, I just love to draw, and because we seen them, we were like, wow, we should use these for decoration. Okay, so this one says, this girl won't stop, because, you know, just because. And then this one says, girl boss. And then this one says, strong is the new pretty. And this one says, or has a C on it, because, you know, it's LA, you know. Then I have this one that says #gorgeous. My mom picked some of these out, so, you know, this one's probably the one that she did. And we also got this one that says #awesome, and I really like that one. And we also have #extra, you know, just because it's just mom, you know, my mom. And then we went to Ikea a few days later and got these, and they were in pairs of 3 because, you know, everything we got was in pairs of 3. So I think they were about $5. They were $5, and so I really like them because, you know, I just want to add some greenery into the studio. Okay. But yes, I really like them. They're really cool. Definitely look pretty real. Alright guys, so I'm going to be decorating this whole room except for this wall because that's what I use for my hair tutorials and self-tapes. So I'd really like for you guys to watch the whole video and see how the whole thing turns out. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, that was super fun. Okay, so wall number 2. Okay, so we have this poster, and so I did this shoot not too long ago with Karis Rogers, and so a guy, he did or painted one of our pictures that we posted, and I'm really like happy that he did that, and he is the creative one, and I'm like really happy. So I'm going to try and try and show you if I can. You see it? But this is the picture. If you can't see, yeah, this is the picture. I really like it. Okay, let's get started. So what do you think? No, I'm sorry. Okay, cool. Okay, guys, what do you think? Did you see that? Alright, moving on to wall number 3. Not 2, but 3. Okay. Hi guys. So we're on to wall number 3. As you can see, I am actually on a couch instead of standing up because this is the couch from downstairs that we had from our loft, our game room, as you could say. So we put a sheet on this. So we are going to be using this, and so we also got some pillows from the Dollar Tree, and we got 3 like holographic, I think they're called, and then we got one of the oddly satisfying ones from the thrift store actually, and I really like these. So they're just throw pillows that we're gonna cut these off. So we're going to be adding my Soleil West wooden thing. I got it from a lady named Joy from Baton Rouge area, and I'm really happy, and I'm so happy that I could finally put it somewhere. Alright, let me go get it. Okay, so we painted it gold, as you can see. So we're going to be putting this about right here behind me, and so that's pretty much gonna be the setup. And we also got some shelves that we're going to put around this, and so, but yeah, okay, yeah, we got 3 different ones. Yeah, you could imagine what we're talking about. But yes, okay, let's get started. Okay, so here we have these word teasers, and they're like questions you would ask, and like they have a whole bunch of different ones. There's I think 4 of them, but with this is just one of the 4. It just says laughing or funny saying, and we just like to play this game whenever. So we're just gonna put it up there. And then we also have this one. It's just the junior one. There's a real, I don't know if there's a difference, but it's just a different one. One of the other 4s. Okay, which one? Well, this one's just gonna be for taking notes, you know. Alright guys, so we have decorated all 3 walls, and I really hope you guys enjoyed, and tell me comment down below which wall was your favorite. And make sure you like and subscribe too. Alright guys, bye!